I'm Liz Russell from EnviroSystems. It's a family business. We do three main products, one being paper, which we make into animal bedding. Another product we do is a silage additive, which is very unique. That is focused on the feeding of dairy cows and the production of silage on farms. So what Slurrybugs does is ensure that the right bacteria are in there, but it's the actual application of that product into the slurry which needed to be automated, which we're now addressing.
So the modernisation of our business really started 4 years ago, and the slurry side of it was really the next stage in this evolution of us as a business. And Made Smarter helped so much with that. And what really appealed to us was the match funding and the skills offer. And in terms of a process, it was incredibly straightforward. The application forms were very short. We got a lot of support from Made Smarter in terms of what the panel is looking for. And also you get the skills provision once you've got that match funding element as well. It'll be delivering value for the farmer because they are going to have less labour time, they're going to have more information of how their farm is performing. It's delivering value for us because we can upskill and we can have people in more skilled jobs here. And it's also delivering environmental benefits because agriculture is contributing 88% of ammonia emissions in the UK. So whilst this has seemed quite a localised problem, the smell of slurry, it's actually an issue that affects everyone in the UK.
The slurry sector that we've been working in, and Slurrybugs itself, has been always underfunded. This is the massive area. All over the world, farmers have problems with slurry, and there isn't anything like this. And we can see this kick-starting a whole area for our business that we can now focus on and develop and get right and scale up to a worldwide product.